Hello guys, welcome to CGeeks. Today our topic is how to use pivot table and generate multiple types of reports in MS Excel. If you have already not subscribed our channel, please like our videos and subscribe Computer Geeks. Guys, pivot table is very dynamic and attractive way to generate multiple types of reports in MS Excel. Today we are going to learn how pivot table works. So first of all, we have random Excel sheets. The one sheet which contains ID of the salesperson, names of the person, items which are going to be sold out, then quantity sold out by every person, then price per item, then total amount, and here is a subtotal. So on this table, we need to insert pivot table. First of all, you need to go to Insert tab, then click on Pivot table. Now you need to select the table which you want to apply for pivot reports, this one. Then you can draw reports on existing worksheet or you can go for new worksheet. I am going to draw here in existing worksheet. So here is our pivot table. This is the structure of pivot table. You need to drop the value. Here is a complete detail. So ID, if you want to insert ID reports according to ID, now this is ID, then I am fetching names. Now names are given, so you can check it out. Then I need items, so the items sold out by every person with its name. Automatically everything is settled down and you can check the multiple reports. You can draw multiple reports. Now I need quantity. Just click on quantity and here is the sum of quantity which sold out by every person. Then if you need price, click on price. Price has been added. Then total amount. So here is the total amount. If you need to re-edit, just click on it and here will be option. Suppose I want to eliminate quantity, so quantity has been disappeared. Moreover, you can check here the multiple filters. Suppose we want to check the sale of Kevin here, so the Kevin sale and total, grand total is also given. Again for all person, you want to check for specific ID, you want to check for specific item. Suppose you want to check that pen, you want to check the sale of pen. So here is the ID, the specific ID which sold out the pen and quantity plus amount. So in this way you can draw multiple reports and get it print out, and for attachment also you have multiple options. Suppose you want to draw the name on downsize, so here is the down values. In this way you can take a print of it. Select the table and get print of this table. Print for selection. So you have print for that specific pivot table. So guys, in this way you can insert You can apply multiple types of filters automatically, which is very useful and amazing option in MS Excel. Thanks guys for watching and learning.